Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a file or folder hidden on your Windows computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. You want to hide any folders like this guys. For example, I am doing a new folder. You can hide whatever folders or files you can do it guys. You just want to right click on the folder you want to hide it. Select properties and here is option guys, hidden. You just want to check mark here hidden option and apply and okay. Now the new folder is gone guys, that is invisible in here in desktop. If you want to make the folder unhidden, want to see it, for that go to search menu and type file explorer option, open it. Just want to go to view tab, select the view tab and select show hidden files folders and drives. Show hidden files folders and drives, select it and apply and okay. Now the hidden file is visible guys. You can open it and there we go. This is how to hide and unhide your folders or files or drives. In this tutorial I show you guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.